Okay, hello, and happy Saturday. Here's a fast look at Carl's radio that I just boxed up. Just put the covers back on. I did take the old filters out. I thought these were going to be okay at first, but the color of Aqua was... I don't know if it's the real Drake color or not that this thing had, but I put my standard filters in here that I have just because Carl has another one of these transmitters I sent him. And if they're side by side, I want these to look the same. So anyway, and if anybody wonders what filter paper I use, here it is. I've had this stuff for about a year. I've been cutting away at it, but this stuff is right here. So that's what I've been using. Been cutting away at it, but still got some left. It comes in a roll like that. So this radio is ready to go. I couldn't find any new screws to put in the thing. I'm getting low on Drake parts. I'm kind of exiting the Drake repair business after doing like 15 of these radios. So it's not really profitable, and it's fun enough, but it takes way too much time. So sort of exiting the repair business of these things. Anyway, this one came out nice for Carl. So what happened was UPS lost the radio I sent he bought from me. It was one of these T4Xs, and then it showed up yesterday. So anyway, I wanted this one to be all set for Carl. I figured this would be the only one he had. He bought this from somebody else, and I did my usual cleaning and retrofitting of this radio by cleaning the PTO out, lubing it, putting the new filters in, cleaned all the glasswork in here, all the Lexan, detoxed all the switches with a nice new can of Detoxit, and I put in some LED bulbs, which are these. These are quite nice. You can buy these on eBay, and these really perk the radio up. 6-volt bulbs, put in 2 of these, and you're all set. So that's what I did for Carl. I also put some synthetic grease in this little slider here so it slides nice and easy. It's firm, but it doesn't stick, so it's the way it should be. It doesn't rattle around. This I found works fine. These are all good now. I think this radio is in good shape. I'm not sure where the pointer though for this thing went. There it is. And I was on 20 meters there. So yeah, I'm happy with this radio. It's a good looking radio. The case needs repainted, but the inside of this thing is glorious. It's almost brand new. So the case is not a looker, but the front is definitely a looker. I guess I could have put some nail polish on here. I didn't do it. Some red nail polish. Didn't have any really. That's something else. I do these usually. And what else? Here's the serial number of this radio right there. And you can see how I've cleaned the inside of it up. It's really gorgeous inside as far as a radio goes. It's all clean and nice and shiny, and this thing's about new looking in there. Carl bought a good radio. All right, that's about it. This is going back in the box. Carl did pack this thing meticulously. I gotta get that box there and stick it all back in there. Get this thing off to him. And I have to get to work on AWS and build a Lambda function for an interview I had. And all that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.